enterprise architecture is being automated. Enterprise architecture is one of the most knowledge-intensive disciplines in any organization. For decades, it has required architects to manually collect, analyze, synthesize, and communicate complex information about systems, technology, and business strategy. That era is over. Today, I want to show you exactly what the AI Architecture Office looks like, the operating model that is replacing manual practice, and how you can build one for your organization in the next 10 days. Most enterprise architects today are still working like it's 2015. Manual documentation, manual analysis, manual architecture reviews, manual governance checks. Meanwhile, AI agents are already here. AI agents can already analyze systems, generate architecture documents, and evaluate technology stacks right now. The question is not whether AI will change enterprise architecture, it will. Will you design the agents or be replaced by them? This is the AI Architecture Office, and this is what you are going to build. 4 layers, one intelligent system. At the foundation, the governance and control layer. This is where policy enforcement and risk management live. Above that, the knowledge and data layer, your CMDB, ERP systems, and most importantly, your Architecture Codex. Then the agent layer. 5 specialized agents, each with a single focused responsibility coordinated by the AI orchestrator. And at the top, decision authority, leadership. Because the AI Architecture Office does not replace human judgment, it amplifies it. Let me walk you through all 7 agents you are going to build, each specialized, each governed. Agent O1 maps capabilities. Agent O2 validates compliance. Agent O3 evaluates your entire application landscape. Agent 04 creates roadmaps. Agent 05 compares vendors. Agent 06 automates governance. Agent 07 produces board-ready insights. Everything you see has been built into the Agentic EA Codex Lab starter kit, structured data, agent specs, and scripts. This is the program that will redefine what you are capable of delivering. Join us at the workshop, link in bio.